So we can see here that we spent about 25% less. And then ultimately, 3 more conversions. And then from 105 down to 63 cost per conversion. Real conversion value went up from 1,600 all the way up to 2,200. And then the ROAS went from 117 to 259. And so this is some really cool results that I've been seeing. Ultimately, from the 13th, that's when I took over the account and decided to deploy this strategy. These are custom columns that I've created based on the actual conversions that really matter. And so I'm going to walk through which campaigns to create and ultimately how to set primary conversions, which ones to set the primary conversions for engagement versus the real conversions, and how to go through this setup start to finish.